In this video, I'll show you how you can enable and disable the location in your OnePlus Watch 4. Now, all you have to do is access the settings. So simply swipe down from the top on your watch face to access the control center and then tap on settings. Now, within the settings, simply scroll down and find the location option right here and select it. And then from here, you should see the first option, use location. And as you can see, by default, it has been enabled. So if you'd like to disable it, simply tap on this toggle icon next to it, and that will disable location. If you'd like to enable it back, simply tap on that, and you will enable the location. Now, additionally, you can scroll down and find the location accuracy and tap on it, and you can choose to enable this option, improve location accuracy if you'd like. And also you can choose to disable it. So that's basically it on how you can enable and disable the location on your OnePlus Watch 4. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.